Hello! I was so excited to welcome you back to my channel, Helena Daydreamer, where we're gonna create more incy-wincy, teeny tiny, blinky, sparkly, beautiful stuff. And I know it's been almost a year since I uploaded my last video, but honestly, I needed some time off because I've got 2 little kids and they are my priority in life, so that's that. I hope it makes sense. On the other hand, I'm really excited because now I've got more time on my hands and I will be able to make more videos for you. I'm also gonna be uploading on my other YouTube channel. Some of you already know about it. And on the other channel, I'm probably just gonna do whatever I want. I'm gonna be free. And on this channel, obviously, I'm gonna carry on with jewelry making and perhaps some other DIY. So for today's video, I have prepared something I made probably a year ago, but I absolutely love this necklace. It's so sparkly and beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Okay, see you later. Bye. And here is a little sneak peek into my jewelry making kits, which I'm going to be using in this video. And these beautiful little treasure boxes are available on my website, helenadaydreamer.com. Link in the description. Ain't nothing better than self-promotion, eh? So for this tutorial, I'm using the Pacific Dream Silver Kit. And I'm taking 2 pieces of 22 gauge silver plated copper wire. Little disclaimer, the measurements that you see on the screen are right, but I'm literally working them out whilst making this video tutorial, so just do as the numbers say and do not pay any attention to how long my wire is in this video and how much I'm probably gonna waste. Then I'm taking this lovely Swarovski sewn crystal and adding it onto these wires. It needs to be right in the middle of the wires, by the way. Next, I'm holding the crystal firmly in place and twisting the wire 3 times on each side. Then we need to shape the wire a bit so that it's easier to add our clear sewn crystal. Following with 3 more twists, then repeat the exact process on the other side. Okay, so with your longer wires being pushed downwards a bit, take the shorter ones and make them straight. Prepare beads of your choice, then start adding them onto the short wire. Then finish by making a loop. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing on the other side. Don't worry, here is the other side. Now, this is what we have so far, and I'm sure you see what I see. Yep, I forgot 1 bead. So I cried and cried and cried. And then after realizing that there is nothing I could do about it and that it was not the end of the world, I simply ignored it and carried on with the tutorial. And then I went bead fishing, which made me feel even better. No wonder some people like going fishing. It's quite therapeutic for them, not for the fish, I don't think. I'm adding all these beautiful glass beads onto the wire. And finishing it with a spiral this time, which you can leave as big or as small as you like. Then repeat this process on the other wire, but this time we are going to create a little loop, which will then get attached onto the wire above our spiral. Adjust to your liking and let's add some chain. Cut 2 pieces of chain, add jump rings on the end, then attach your necklace. Add another jump ring on the other end of the chain. With the other piece, we are again going to attach it to the necklace, and then on the other end, attach one jump ring with a lobster clasp. I'm going to use some E6000 to attach a Swarovski flatback crystal on the spiral. By the way, the glue is not included in this jewelry making kit, but can be purchased separately if needed. But I'm kind of guessing we all have some sort of glue at home. And voila, done! Beautiful, stylish, sparkly necklace. And here is another one I made a year ago with the Rose Garden Gold kit. It's a bit of a mock-up if you like. It's smaller with slightly bigger glass beads, longer chain, and the crystal is still attached with a blue tack. Need to take care of that. But it's just to give you an idea for a bit more delicate design, and also what it looks like in gold and pink, my favorite color. Now, as I was looking at this, I wanted to experiment a bit more with the design, so I added another piece of 22 gauge wire in a V shape and loosely attached it onto the necklace, since I wanted it to swing and be more flexible when worn. And here it is, completely finished, not perfect, but still gorgeous, just like me, or I'd like to think so anyway. So enjoy the show, and I will see you in a mo. Yay, we made it to the end, and I know it wasn't perfect, but it's still beautiful and I still love it. Like I said at the beginning, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's about it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, love you. That was clever. Ah.